I love Pottery Barn home decor. I don't love Pottery Barn prices. And one of my favorite ways to get the Pottery Barn look for less is to head to my local thrift store and dupe them. Now, one of the things I hear from time to time is that I must have really good thrift stores in order to do this. Not really. We have several larger thrift store chains, but there's not really anything all that special about them. Now, if you're in a small town, then yeah, maybe, especially if you have like one little thrift store. Trust me, my thrift stores are likely not better than yours. Now, if you're living in Europe, or when hubby and I went thrift shopping in San Miguel in Mexico, you have better options. So jealous. So to get those finds, it might mean having to look at things just a little bit differently. Here are some tips to get you started. Before we even start shopping, head to your favorite online high-end home decor stores and window shop. It's helpful to scroll through the websites looking for things that you like. And when you take the time to scroll through your favorite screenshots right before you go thrift shopping, things will pop out at you, such as these cut glass goblets that Pottery Barn is asking $20 each. You could buy an entire set, including the water pitcher and a vase for the flowers, for the price of one goblet. Another popular Pottery Barn item that you will likely almost always be able to find at the thrift store are these etched glasses. Whether it's barware, everyday juice glasses, or water pitchers, you'll find looks at the thrift store that your friends will swear came from Pottery Barn. Another thing that I am always, and I mean always, coming across at the thrift store is green glass. And the prices they want for these lookalikes on Pottery Barn is insane. $100 plus for green glass jugs. Vases are going for close to or even over $100, and don't even get me started on the tea light holders. Why do this to yourself when you can get the exact same look for a fraction of the price? The glassware is there. You just need an idea in your head what it is you're looking for, and then look for those shapes. These two glass vases are a perfect example. Mixed in with all the other glassware, it's easy to walk right past and not even spot them. But when you have an idea of what it is you're looking for and a visual Rolodex of saved favorites in your screenshot, suddenly these things stand out from the rest. And the money you save, cha-ching! If you're redoing your bathroom or need to add a touch of decor, consider thrifting your ideas. I wouldn't do towels and such, but wastebaskets, hardware, hampers, candle holders, trays, and glass containers can all be found at the thrift store. On my last visit, I found these glass canisters, and several shops ago, I bought this oversized jar. Yes, you could pay around $50 a jar, or you could head to the thrift store where I found each of these for under 20 bucks. Although, I didn't pay nearly that amount. Later in this video, I'll share my top tips with you on how you can get the most for your money. My next tip would be to stretch your imagination a little bit. Sometimes a thrift store item just needs a little bit of tweaking to make it look exactly like it came from Pottery Barn. Look at the shape of the item, not the color or the decorative touches. That can be quickly and easily fixed with just some paint and other DIY techniques. A couple of sheets of plastic waffle board and some twine turned this round thrifted mirror into a Pottery Barn look-alike, saving me hundreds on the look. I could have turned the cement heart into a Pottery Barn look-alike succulent holder, but decided I would rather have it as a candle. On one of my more recent Pottery Barn dupe videos, I found this brown glass pumpkin, and with a little bit of candle wax, I turned this $4 pumpkin jar into a $69 Pottery Barn look-alike. To show you that I'm not leading you astray, the next time I visited the thrift store, I found this glass pumpkin for $5.99. I haven't quite decided yet if I'm going to paint it to match this Pottery Barn gold pumpkin candle that goes with the brown one I just did in my most recent Pottery Barn dupe video, which I will link above, or into this glass pumpkin with a pillar candle inside, which is completely sold out at Pottery Barn. Which one would you go with? Leave it in the comments below. Okay, one of the things I mentioned I was going to cover later on in this video was the complaint I often hear that thrift stores cost too much money. But really, it depends on what you're thrifting for. But don't worry, I have some some tips for you. Here are a few ways you're guaranteed to get the biggest bang for your buck. Before you even leave the house, check their websites for their deals. At Value Village, you can join their Super Savers Club for special discounts, points for money off, and they even have a birthday club. If you're willing to get text, they'll send you special discounts that way as well. At Salvation Army offers similar discounts for seniors, students, and members. Plus, they send out emails with coupons, and if you're willing to do a little social media boasting for them, you can be entered into a monthly draw to win some cash. Pretty much every thrift store takes donations and offers a 20% off coupon, so make sure you save those coupons and even be a bit strategic with it. I'll rotate my donations to my 3 top favorite thrift stores. That way I always have a coupon no matter which store I'm shopping at. And if you have a coupon that's expired, don't throw it out. Just let the cashier know and they will get you a new updated coupon that you can apply to your purchase. And when thrifting, it helps to keep in mind that more often than not, the person who's applying the prices to these items are young and are often rushing. So if you see an item that you know is overpriced, or if you find a price tag where they're asking for more at the thrift store than it was originally priced at, just point it out. If you can show them that you can get that item for less new, they'll reduce the price. They're just doing the best they can, oftentimes guessing. Here are just a few more bonus tips to get you started duping on the right foot. When you're going thrift store shopping, shop with purpose. Take a deep breath, scan through your screenshots, and then begin carefully hunting. Scan the aisles more than once. With so much stuff, it's impossible to take it all in at one time. In fact, I'll go through the store once to take it all in, and then I'll go back and do each aisle, scanning it back and forth twice. Also, check out those areas where you're more likely to find dupable items. I'm thinking baskets, glassware, furniture, lamps, figurines, wreaths. Most importantly, shop often. They are constantly putting out new things, so it's definitely worth your while, even if it's just to pop in and look at those areas where you know you're likely to find items that are similar to those in Pottery Barn. The more frequently you visit, the more likely you are to find those items you've been looking for. If you enjoyed that, make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. If you hit that notification bell, it'll let you know the next time I upload. Oh, and you might enjoy these.